Email marketing has long been a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience, build relationships, and drive sales. However, as technology evolves and consumer preferences change, it is crucial for marketers to stay updated on the latest trends in order to unlock their audience's hearts and wallets. In this article, we will explore 5 must-know email marketing trends for 2023 that will help you captivate your readers and achieve unparalleled success. Personalization, the key to winning hearts. In an era of information overload, generic emails simply won't cut it anymore. Today's consumers crave personalization. They want to feel seen and understood by brands. By leveraging data-driven insights about your subscribers' preferences, behaviors, and demographics, you can create highly targeted email campaigns that resonate on a deeply personal level. Use dynamic content that adapts based on each recipient's interests or previous interactions with your brand. This level of personalization not only increases engagement but also cultivates trust and loyalty among your audience. Mobile optimization. Tap into wallets on the go. With the majority of people accessing their emails from mobile devices nowadays, optimizing your emails for mobile viewing is no longer optional. It's essential. If your emails aren't mobile-friendly, you risk losing out on valuable opportunities to capture attention and drive conversions. Ensure that your email templates are responsive across different screen sizes so that recipients can easily read and interact with them on their smartphones or tablets. Additionally, consider using concise subject lines that grab attention quickly since mobile users tend to skim through their inbox. Interactive content. Engage minds and open wallets. Static emails are becoming a thing of the past. Today's consumers expect interactive experiences that captivate their minds as well as pique their interest in making a purchase decision. Incorporating interactive elements such as quizzes, surveys, GIFs, or videos into your emails can significantly boost engagement rates. These immersive experiences not only entertain but also provide valuable insights about your audience's preferences and behaviors. By collecting this data, you can further personalize future email campaigns and drive conversions. Artificial intelligence. Understand your audience like never before. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way marketers understand their audience and create personalized experiences at scale. AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of customer data to uncover patterns, predict behavior, and automate email personalization. By leveraging AI in your email marketing strategy for 2023, you can deliver hyper-relevant content to each individual subscriber based on their unique preferences and needs. This level of personalization will make your audience feel valued while driving higher conversion rates. Automation. The key to efficiently unlocking wallets. In a fast-paced digital world, manual tasks eat up valuable time that could be better spent strategizing or engaging with customers directly. Email automation allows you to streamline repetitive processes by setting up triggers and workflows that send targeted messages based on specific actions or events, such as welcoming new subscribers or following up after a purchase. Automating these touchpoints not only saves time but also ensures consistent messaging across all stages of the customer journey. In conclusion, to unlock your audience's hearts and wallets in 2023 requires embracing these 5 must-know email marketing trends: personalization, mobile optimization, interactive content, artificial intelligence, AI, and automation. By implementing these strategies effectively into your email campaigns, you'll be able to captivate your readers' attention like never before. Remember that personalization is key. Tailor each message based on individual preferences using dynamic content. Optimize for mobile viewing since most people access emails from their smartphones. Engage minds with interactive elements like quizzes or videos to create memorable experiences. Leverage AI tools to gain deep insights into your audience and automate personalized content delivery. Lastly, embrace automation to save time and ensure consistent messaging throughout the customer journey. By staying ahead of these trends, you'll be well equipped to unlock your audience's hearts and wallets in 2023. So go ahead, take action today, and watch your email marketing efforts soar to new heights.